Hello and welcome back to Useful Tutorials. Today we'll be looking at how to pop a balloon without making it pop or bang at the end, because I know some of the younger viewers will not like it when the balloon pops and it makes a loud noise. Now, for this tutorial you will need some sellotape, the balloon you want to pop, and a sharp needle to pop it with, but don't worry, it won't make the noise, as explained. So what you want to do is get the sellotape, it doesn't matter how long it is, break it off, and now just put it on the balloon. Now, this tutorial works for any balloons from China, India or Ireland. And then you take the pin and you place it where the sellotape is into the balloon, and as you can see it does not pop, and you take it out. You might want to do it a few times, and as you can see, you might not want to do it too many times, otherwise it might pop. Well, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. As you can see, it never always works. You might want to pierce it maybe 5 to 10 times, not too many, for this to work. But put in the comments down below what you want next. I can do any tutorial you want, and I'll see you next time for the next video.